beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare for my dog's birthday party. He's going to be turning 11 tomorrow, the 16th of April. So I'm spending the whole of today making his cake, cookies, treats, decorations, all that stuff. And I decided to film the entire process for y'all. So I hope you enjoy and let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with a banner that says happy birthday Monty. I did it last year, but I don't know where it went, so we're just gonna do it again. Also, I don't think I mentioned the theme. It's gonna be a basketball theme, so because he really likes balls. So I'm trying to get the colors to match, but I didn't buy colored paper. I'm just kind of using what I had already. So we're just gonna have to find some black and orange in here. Judge if this is big enough or not because the wall that we're going to put it on isn't that big, but I do want it to be. Oh wait, I can't use black because I don't have anything to write on the black. I'm just gonna stick to orange for now. I'll cut. Okay, so I've got it all here. I chose orange and yellow in the end. Let's just count it. Perfect. Now we're just gonna write. But my marker is downstairs, so BRB. Okay, so now we're going to be making my dog's little treat. So they're going to be little balls, like little protein balls with flour, egg, peanut butter, and some chia seeds. So I just put in 2 cups of flour and I'm going to crack the eggs. So I'm just going to mix it first with the egg alone and kind of see the consistency. So I don't really have specific measurements for my peanut butter. I'm just going to be scooping some out of the jar. So it's getting lumpy. I kind of need it to be in a gigantic dough, like a gigantic ball. So it's getting lumpy. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. So I guess this video is a little bit different from all my other videos because it's just focused 100% on my dog. So this is what it currently looks like. That doesn't look very good, but I'm gonna have to put in a little bit more effort to like make it into a dough, and I'll be right back. I have succeeded into making it into a gigantic ball, so we're just gonna roll it. here. I think I'm gonna stop with this last layer. Wow, my face. But yeah, you can actually see like bits of peanut butter all over. I kind of didn't blend it in well, mix it in well, so yeah. But let's get cutting. So I'm gonna use the star. So I changed up the jar because the treats were a little bit too short for it, so it looks better that way.